Ready to conquer your finances with Quicken Classic Premier on your Mac. Let's dive into the essentials in just a minute and a half. First, let's create a new file. Click File in the top menu bar, then select New Quicken File. Give your file a name that makes sense to you, like My Finances 2024, and choose where to save it. Now, connect your accounts. Hit the plus icon on the left to add an account. Select your bank or financial institution and carefully enter your login details. Quicken uses bank-level security, so your information is safe. Time to categorize your transactions. Select a transaction and use the category drop-down to label it. Being precise here will give you great insights later on. For investment tracking, go to the Investing tab. Here you can manually enter holdings or connect brokerage accounts to automatically update your portfolio performance. Let's make sense of all this data. Click the Reports tab and choose a report, like cash flow or net worth. Customize the date range to analyze your finances over time. Never miss a payment. Add bills and reminders under the Bills and Reminders tab. Set due dates and amounts, and Quicken will keep you on track. And that's it. You've learned the core features of Quicken Classic Premier on your Mac. Explore the rest of the features and take control of your financial future.